Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Rwani and today I will explain about my draft proposal. For the title is the effectiveness of using writing in here and now strategy to students' ability in writing narrative text. And then background of the problem. Background of the problem is writing is a way of communicating that is done by communicating our message in writing to the reader. According to Baidillah Rahman, writing is a skill which involves writer's ability in arranging letter, words, and specific language sentence into written communication so that the readers understand the message or information wants to convey. It means that writing is one of skill to convey ideas that have been compiled in words up to paragraphs so that the reader understand the purpose of the text. And narrative text. Narrative is a text focusing on specific participants. Its social function is to tell stories or past event to entertain the readers. The researchers found that the students at Man 1 Oku have the less skill in writing narrative, so the researcher want to find the method that can be effective to increase the students' skill at Man 1 Oku in writing, especially in narrative text. So the researcher found the strategy using writing in the here and now. The researcher want to research is that effective to use writing in the here and now strategy to increase the students' ability in writing narrative text. And then identification problem. Based on the background of the problem above, the researcher makes identifications such as: first, the students are get difficulties to express their ideas to write it in written form. Then second, the students less of vocabulary. Third, the students don't understand about the grammar and structure. Four, the students have less self-confidence. Five, the students less practice. And the last is the students have less motivation. And the limitation of the problem is the researcher is concerned and limit the problem in this research on the effectiveness of writing in the here and now strategy towards students' writing ability in narrative text at the second semester of the 11th grade of Man 1 Oku. Then, formulation of the problem. From the research problem, researcher poses a research question: is there any significant effect of writing in the here and now strategy towards students' writing ability in narrative text at the second semester of 11th grade Man 1 Oku? Objective of the research. The objective of this research is to obtain the empirical evidence of the effectiveness of writing in the here and now strategy towards students' writing ability in narrative text at a second semester of the 11th grade of Man 1 Oku. And then significance of the research. In here there are 2 points. The first is practically. The result of this research may become new information to the English teacher about the effectiveness of the students' writing ability in the narrative text by using writing in the here and now strategy, and also give information for future research. And then the theoretically, the result of this research are expect to support the previous theories about the effectiveness of writing in the here and now strategy towards students' writing ability in narrative text in the 11th grade of senior high school. And then in here, the researcher found the relevant research about this title. The first is improving students' descriptive text writing by using writing in the here and now strategy at the 10th grade students of vocational high school. And then the second right here, right now, an experimental study of group maintenance in collaborative writing. The third is the use of writing in the here and now strategy in improving students writing skills to the 10th grade students of SMKS Campus Padang Sidimpuan in the 2015 and 2016 academic year. And then the last is the effects of strategy instruction on writing strategy used for students of different proficiency level. And then the last is the research method. In here, the research method or the methodology that used by the researchers or the researcher was quasi experimental design with pre-test and post-test. There were two variables in this research. The independent variable was writing in the here and now strategy, or variable X, and dependent variable was the students writing in narrative text, or variable Y. Okay, I think enough. Thank you.